have changed.
Oh, Mother, surely not in 3 months.
My dear, when you were their age...
Yes, I know. And they were dragged off to the city by some stranger as well.
The place has been so quiet without them.
Yes, it has rather.
It was your fault. It was all your fault.
There's Papa!
Do you know what you've done? Do you know what you've done?
You did it on purpose, didn't you? You pushed me.
You shouldn't have got in the way then.
I didn't. You ran right into me and knocked all my books onto the ground.
I did not.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
You liar. Who are these for?
That's for Annette. No, don't. No, get off. Please, give them back to me. That's for Annette. Don't. Please.
Well, I think your sister's stupid.
Oh. I'm going to tell my daddy on you.
What are you going to do?
Give me my kitten back! No! Klaus!
Danny, what are you doing? Danny!
Klaus!
Danny, let me get it! Danny, come back! Danny!
Daddy!
Hello, Annette.
Hello.
What have you been doing?
Oh, not very much, really. We were helping Papa, and then I came back to get the lunch ready.
Isn't Danny with you?
No, I left him with Papa. They should be back soon. I'm glad you came to stay with us. It was my idea.
I'm afraid I'm getting a bit old to be of much use. But I'll do what I can.
Papa was going to have to sell some of the cows to pay for a housekeeper. It seemed so awful.
I was delighted to come. You seem to have managed splendidly. You've become quite the little mother, haven't you?
Working hard, I see.
Where's Danny?
Isn't he here?
I left him with you.
Danny! Come on, Annette. Danny!
I wonder if Lucian knows where he is. He was there when I left. Oh, Madame Morel, please may I speak to Lucian?
Yes, if you can find him. Wretched boy. That's all he's got to do. Not the cow.
But
Not good enough.
Please.
I've got far too much
When
to
he
do
comes-
with this.
When he comes, will you ask him if he's seen Danny? He disappeared more than an hour ago, and we haven't seen him since.
Where did you last see him?
Up by the top woods. Lucian was there at the time, and I thought they might have gone off together.
Oh, dear.
What was that? It's them!
Lucian? What's the matter? Are you all right?
Danny! Where is he? What have you done with him? Tell me! You've got to tell me! It wasn't my fault! What wasn't your fault?
Lucian.
Where is
Lucian,
he? You
where?
do know! You're lying! My daddy's got to tell me!
Do you know where Danny is?
He's dead. Where?
Where is he? Move!
I'm going to kill you.
He's down there.
Keep away from the edge.
Be careful.
Kitten's here. There you go.
Got him.
You see him?
Be careful.
It's all right, Danny. I'm coming. Danny? Danny?
Is he alive?
He shall give his angels charge over thee.
Is he going to be all right?
Yes, I'm sure he will. Let's get him back to the house. Just take his ankles, very gently.
They ought to be at the hospital by now. Poor little thing.
Grandma, what shall we do with Lucien Morel? He should be punished, but I can't think of anything to pay him back.
Have you ever thought, Annette, that when we do wrong, it often brings its own punishment without anyone else interfering? Think of how afraid Lucien must have been when he saw Danny fall, and how miserable he must be feeling tonight. Think of how afraid he must be of people finding out what he's done and what they're going to say. And then think, perhaps, whether he hasn't been punished quite enough, and whether we could forgive him and help him to start again.
Annette, what on earth's going on? I can't get anything out of them at home.
Danny's broken his leg and it's all your brother's fault.
What?
Lucien dropped the kitten into the ravine and then Danny fell in after it. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if he pushed him.
Annette,
He was down there on the rocks for hours and Lucien never even told anyone. He could have been dead by now.
Marie? Annette, I feel awful about Danny as well, but all I can do for him now is to pray for him. If I allowed myself to feel as you do, and I could, then I wouldn't even be able to pray for him. God is love. I can't go to him full of hatred and expect him to listen to me. Leave Lucien to God. He rewards both good and evil. And remember, he loves Lucien every bit as much as he loves Danny.
You couldn't possibly.
I'm afraid he does.
Well, in that case, I shall leave the praying to you.
He disgusts me. Will you be all right? I must get down to the hotel. I'm late already. I'll get back as early as I can tonight.
can't understand why you didn't call anyone.
If that Bernier child is badly injured, we shall be ruined. We'll have to pay all the bills, and we can't possibly afford it. Oh, Lucien, how could you do such a thing? Don't you want any? Then get ready for school. Don't let the other children bother you. Bye-bye.
Annette, you should be in school by now.
Grandma said I could stay till he came back.
Now, let's try and get him off here. You take his legs, Annette.
I've got to wear these
Careful.
white trousers all the time.
There we go.
Get you in. Oh, we'll get you in. There, you're home again. There you are.
Mind the door.
You're back now, Danny.
Right now!
Hey, over on my bed, on my bed. Put him over on my bed,
I'll
yeah.
get you for you in a minute.
I want them now!
Oh, all right, I'll go and get him.
Oh, his leg's heavy.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I thought he'd have to stay in hospital.
Well, they did want him to. But he made such a fuss, I decided to bring him home.
I'm glad he did. It means I can look after him now.
There you are. Now, would you like a nice hot drink and a gingerbread biscuit?
Yes.
Come on, I'll get something for you as well.
If you want anything, just tell me, all right?
You know, I went right down to the bottom of the cliff.
I know, but it wasn't your fault, was it? Danny, you must promise me never to go near that Lucien Morel again. Do you understand? You mustn't even speak to him.
me see it. What's the matter? I'm not going to eat you. Come on. Do you have any proper tools? Come with me. I'd like to show you something. Have you ever thought of taking up wood carving? Well, you should. You've got talent. It's not everyone who can get a good likeness.
Come here. Now watch. I'm going to show you what these tools can do. Watch carefully. See? A little piece out very carefully, not to go too deep. The pointed ones tend to dig right into the wood. Again, ones won't go fairly deep to begin with, but not too near the edge. Right. That's right. That's good. Now let's think what we've got to do. We've got to clear his head. So if we take all this thing out, let's take all the
Lucien? Well, how was it?
All right.
Didn't the teacher say anything to you?
No.
And the other children?
Nothing.
I've been worrying about you all day. Perhaps it'll be all right now.
Come on, Marie. The food's out already.
Little coward.
That's enough, Marie.
Mama, why did you let him do it? You should have made him go to school.
He did go to school. Leave the poor boy alone.
He did not go to school. I don't know where he's been all day, but it certainly wasn't at school.
Lucien?
I met the school teacher on the way home, and he asked me where Lucien was today. And was everything all right?
Lucien!
When I'm finished with this drawing, I'd like the older ones to copy it down in their exercise books. You can have more time after the break if needed.
Do you know what Lucien Morella's done? He dropped Danny's kitten over the ravine and Danny tried to get it back. Pushed him and Danny fell in and broke his leg. You know what Lucien Morella did? Pushed my brother over the ravine.
I'm going to begin with, and this will be for the younger ones as well. I'm going to begin with some of the ways in which it spreads diseases. It's such an innocent-looking little thing, and yet it can cause so much harm. Bernard.
Sir?
Bring me that piece of paper. Put it on my desk. Is this your writing, Annette?
Yes, sir.
Do you really think this is necessary?
It's true, sir.
I know it's true. I said, do you really think it's necessary? I find it difficult to understand Lucien's behavior. We're all very glad it didn't turn out any worse than it did. No doubt you'll think twice before doing any such stupid thing again. But if I hear any more malicious gossip over this matter, I shall be very, very cross.
Yes, that's good. Yes. I like it. Oh, yeah. You can't have a Noah's Ark without lions. You know, you'll soon be able to sell some of your models. Would you like that?
Do you really mean that?
Of course I do. There's a man down in the village who sells my carvings. We could take some of yours and show them to him.
Today they announced a handwork competition.
Oh, yes. What's the prize going to be?
I don't know. But that doesn't really matter.
Aren't you going to enter?
Yes.
I'll show them I'm better than all of them.
Oh, I'm sure you are. Was there ever any doubt?
I'm going to carve a galloping horse. Its mane and its tail streaming up behind it.
But why try a horse? Why not use your Noah's Ark?
It's a present for a little boy.
Your brother?
No, he lives near me. He got hurt in an accident.
Oh, badly?
Broke his leg.
Oh, dear. Aren't you going to tell me about it?
He was playing up in the mountains. The boy came and teased him. Said he would drop his kitten over a ravine. He wasn't really going to. And then it happened. And Danny went after it. I couldn't stop.
What are you doing?
You don't want me here now.
Why ever not?
No one else does.
What am I going to do for a friend if you go now? Come, sit down. Come on. That's better. How is he now?
His sister won't let me go and see him.
Oh. Is she still angry with you?
She's always telling other people about it.
It won't be easy. People are slow to forget. It's a good thing you're doing. Stick at it. Go on. Don't let her discourage you.
Yes, I'm coming to meet you.
Hello. Don't forget to get back.
Hello.
Now we can all go for a walk together.
I'm afraid it's a bit soon for that.
Why?
Come on, Danny.